Hindi ikaw ang humahabol sa pera. Pera ang humahabol sa'yo. Alam mo dati, I used to believe na kailangan mo magtrabaho ng sobra-sobra para lang mag-survive. 16 years akong nurse and kahit alam kong fulfilling siya, parang kulang pa rin. Lagi akong pagod, lagi ako naghahabol ng oras, and of course, parang lagi kong hinahabol ang pera. Pero here's the shift. Natutunan ko na my mind is worth millions. Yung ideas ko, yung skills ko, and yung energy, yun yung totoong currency. Hindi pala dapat ako lang yung magtrabaho para sa pera. Kasi pera can actually work for me. Think about it. Every time you invest in yourself, health, business, mindset, growth, hindi lang siya basta gastos. Every peso you spend with intention, babalik yan sa'yo tenfolds. And you know what's the craziest part? Kapag aligned ka, lagi kang nasa tamang oras and nasa tamang lugar. Opportunities just show up. Parang yung universe na yung nagsasabi sa'yo, oh, eto na, take it. Kaya today, my mindset is very simple. I just don't get paid for what I do. I get paid to exist, to create, and of course, to inspire. So, the real question is, are you still working for money or are you ready to let money work for you?